I challenged a product that is meant for clearing away the acne marks and acne scar. So today is day 1. Hey, today is day 3. Especially if you will see this side of my face. Hi guys, it's Shalini and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because today's video is a challenge video. It's been a while since I filmed a challenge video. This is a legit series on my channel. मैं ऐसे वीडियोस करना पसंद करती हूँ, देखना भी पसंद करती हूँ. तो challenge video कैसा काम करता है मेरे चैनल पे? I will pick up a product that is meant for your skin, body or hair. I will test and try that for over a week, 15 days or 20 or 30 days. And in the end, I will talk about the result that product gave me. इंटरेस्टिंग राइट. तो मेरे पास एक चैलेंज वीडियो का प्लेलिस्ट भी है, आप चाहो तो उसको क्लिक करके देख सकते हो. नाउ फॉर टुडेज वीडियो आई चैलेंज्ड अ प्रोडक्ट दैट इज मेंट फॉर क्लियरिंग अवे द एक्ने मार्क्स एंड एक्ने स्कार. Interesting. I know. So this is the product right here. This is by the brand The Derma Co. This is a brand new brand in the market and I went through the entire website. They had a lot of treatment creams and serums and I was looking for a product that can clear away the acne marks and acne scars which I was struggling for a while now. So this is 10% niacinamide serum for acne marks. Vitamin B3 plus zinc के साथ आता है. This is by the brand Derma Co. As I said. The price of this is 599 rupees. You will get 30 ml of product. 2 साल के एक्सपायरी डेट के साथ आता है ये. एंड द डर्माको ब्रांड इज डर्मेटोलॉजिकली टेस्टेड, पैराबेन और एसएलएस फ्री है ये, क्लिनिकली प्रूवन एक्टिव्स के साथ आता है ये. तो दिस इज द एक्चुअल पैकेजिंग. ठीक है, इसके साथ एक कैप भी आया था बट कैप को हटा के ये ड्रॉपर मैंने इसमें अटैच कर दिया. ड्रॉपर भी आया था इसके साथ. ग्लास वाला पैकेजिंग है ये. यू कैन एक्चुअली सी थ्रू दिस ग्लास. दिस इज लाइक ट्रांसलूसेंट. अब हम पैकेजिंग और प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो कंसिस्टेंसी भी बात कर ही लेते हैं. दिस हैज लाइक क्लियर कंसिस्टेंसी, more like translucent, not so clear base, and it also has a very refreshing mild smell to it, more like a soap smell to it. And the smell doesn't bother me at all. It anyway just fades away after like applying this 2 or 3 minutes later. It's not too thick or too thin और बहुत ही easily skin में absorb हो जाता है और spread भी हो जाता है evenly all over your face. It doesn't feel thick or heavy at all on the skin. And this is the outer packaging. इस outer packaging में सब कुछ mention है. मुझे काफी अच्छा लगा ये चीज. जैसे how to use, how not to use is also mentioned in this. So basically you need to cleanse your face using a face wash and then use this treatment on your face, moisturize and protect your skin after that. And this is suitable for anyone who has acne scars, blemishes and excess sebum production. How to use? You can use this in the night, 2 to 3 drops and apply that all over your face. Massage it until it get absorbs into your skin completely. How to not use this is also mentioned. Do not use this on wet face. Do not step in the sun without sunscreen. Do not use together with vitamin C. So आपको इसको vitamin C के साथ use नहीं करना है. Basically they can cancel out each other और आपको कोई result और effect नहीं दिखेगा आपके face पे. Now if you are planning to use vitamin C serum that day itself, you can follow the AM PM regime. That is, you can apply this product in the daytime and apply vitamin C in the night time. So that's everything about the product and the consistency of the product. Now before I play the footage of me testing and trying the product, let's just talk about few more important things that will make this video more interesting and useful for you all. Firstly, history of acne that I had. So for the past 4 to 5 months, you guys must have seen that my skin suffered through a major acne burst out. बहुत ज़्यादा acne हो रहे थे मुझे राइट और लेफ्ट और चिन में भी बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल कर रही थी. तो मैंने उसको कंट्रोल तो कर लिया बाय फॉलोइंग अ गुड diet and like changing my lifestyle, taking good care of myself basically internally and externally. दोनों फैक्टर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. बट एक्ने तो चले गए, क्या वो छोड़ गए? एक्ने मार्क्स all over my face. And I was looking for a product on Dermaco website that can really help with the acne marks and acne scars. That's how I selected this particular product and challenged this particular product. अब आप कोई भी ट्रीटमेंट क्रीम अप्लाई करते हो आपके फेस पे या परचेज भी करते हो, एक चीज़ बहुत ज़रूरी होती है उस क्रीम के बारे में थोड़ा सा रिसर्च करना और जानना कि वो क्या है एक्चुअली. So 10% niacinamide serum is a water-soluble vitamin. This is an anti-inflammatory ingredient and product. So what it does basically, जब आप अपने इसको स्किन में लगाते हो, it helps in regulating the acne-causing oil production by the gland in the skin layer. और क्योंकि इस 10% niacinamide serum में zinc भी है and zinc helps in regulating the sebum production on your skin. So together they help in fading away the acne marks and acne scars. इसके अलावा भी they have some really great benefit for the skin. It helps in the production of of keratin, which is kind of protein which provides a very youthful and firm looking skin. It also minimizes the appearance of large pores and minimizes blemishes on your skin. It also protects your skin from the damages caused by the sun. It can also deal with wrinkles and fine lines. Basically it can help in reducing them. So this is a anti-aging product also. अब मैं play करूंगी footage of me testing and trying this product for over 2 weeks. It's gonna be fun. Let's watch this. कोई भी नया प्रोडक्ट यूज करने से पहले उसका पैच टेस्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So I have been using and testing and kind of doing a patch test for this for the past 3 to 4 days. थोड़ा करके यूज करी थी मैं इसको. So now my skin kind of likes it and there's no such reaction, so that's a plus point. And now I'm gonna use this niacinamide serum. So I'm gonna take this much, maybe less than this, and on my hand I'm kind of concentrating it on the acne marks that I have. There is a sticky feeling to it. I'm gonna wait for 1 minute so that this will sink in with my skin, and then we will apply moisturizer and sunscreen. Okay, 1 minute तक भी रुकना नहीं पड़ा. It's been like 20 seconds or so, and can you see it has absorbed into my skin completely. There is no sticky feeling as such, and these are like my acne marks, guys, acne spots. Anyway, so now I'm gonna apply my moisturizer and then sunscreen. Hey, today's day 3. I need to film a video today, so I need to get ready. And this is like my morning face. This is how I look. Okay, so I've already washed my face, applied some toner. I've also like developed a brand new acne right here, just letting you know. So this is my treatment right here. So मैं इसका ना आधा ड्रॉप लूँगी and directly अपने face पे जहाँ पे मुझे acne marks है वहाँ पे apply करूँगी, and on my chin also, maybe on my forehead also, like here and here. I like the fact that this doesn't have any sort of smell to it. So मेरी skin ने सीरम को अच्छे से absorb कर लिया है, and this is what my face looks like. Now I will go apply my moisturizer and then sunscreen, and I will do my makeup. Today is day 10 of applying this niacinamide serum. और आपको पता है मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं अपना फेस धोती हूँ, उसके बाद मैं फेस टोनर यूज करती हूँ. उसके ऊपर I will apply this treatment of mine, taking this much, applying it here on my chin, here and right here. You know what? I'm so happy with my skin texture lately. I won't say that this is the only product that has helped me with my skin texture, but this has really helped with the acne marks and acne scars. You know that I'm into healthy lifestyle and healthy diet now. That's why the results are showing externally. You know, my acne marks are fading away. So I'm putting the close-up of my skin currently. You guys can see that the kind of acne marks that I had on my chin has faded away drastically. I still have those acne marks, but वो धीरे-धीरे करके fade होना शुरू हो गया. So that's amazing, right? Especially if you will see this side of my face, I mean the acne marks has faded drastically. In fact, on my chin also, I still tend to get acne on left side of my face because this is a very sensitive side. I've struggled with my left side, like this side of my face, for over like 3 years now, and I also tend to get a lot of hormonal acne on this side during my period days and also when I'm like having a lot of stress that day. So these are like 2 brand new acne that were popped. Overall, this is the routine that I like to follow whenever I'm using this product on my face. So that's all the footage that I have for you, and I'm on my week 4 of using this product. I was applying this product once every single day, and I was also toning my face, which was not mentioned in the box, but which I did just to be on the safer side, because toner is something that can help in balancing the pH of your skin. और मैं नहीं चाहती थी कि मैं एकदम concentrated वाला product अपने skin पे directly apply कर दूँ. So just to be on the safer side, I was also using toner, which was not mentioned in the packaging, like outer packaging. Now this was my skin 3rd day of applying and trying the product, and this was my skin about 3 weeks later, guys. You can see the acne marks and acne scars has started to fade away. This is what I noticed. बहुत कम रह गया है acne marks, थोड़ा बहुत ही रह गया है, but मुझे पता है कि वो gradually जाएंगे, and I need to have patience. कोई भी चीज़ आप टेस्ट और ट्राई करते हो, especially if you are trying a potent ingredient or active ingredient, उनके साथ patience बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है. Secondly, I noticed that it has improved the texture of my skin, like overall texture of my skin. So I was really happy with the result it gave me. Now one more thing, how this 10% niacinamide serum is different from any acne treatment cream or serum that is available in the market. जैसे कि salicylic acid हो गया, benzoyl peroxide हो गया. This niacinamide serum doesn't leave your skin flaky at all or dry looking at all. This is a hydrating serum. आपकी skin flaky नहीं लगती और greasy भी नहीं लगती, क्योंकि this product helps in regulating the sebum production on your skin. So I think with that I have everything that I wanted to cover about 10% niacinamide serum. I had so much fun filming this video for you all. I know it took me over a month, but ठीक है, it was all worth it. Now if you want to see more such content on my channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like, comment, share this video with your friends and family. सबके साथ share करो and comment down below and let me know any other product that you want me to try or do a challenge video. I will love to do that maybe next month, and I'll see you all next time with brand new content for this channel. Bye bye.